sir, it has been a minute since we did a box opening, an open box video, but this is something special. I ordered this back in May, and I was in no rush to get it, but to my surprise, it's finally here. Oh! Woo! Yeah! Woo! I need a knife. I need a knife. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got parts, dude. We've got parts. This looks fantastic. Oh my gosh, for the best part. Oh, dude. Holy shit. Does that look effing sick? Dude, this is amazing. Patrick, thank you so much for this. I can't wait to make the install video. If you haven't guessed it right now, folks, this is the Sumo X kit. And I got it all customized. Black powder coated swing arm and a color matched rear fender to boot. It's gonna be some time before I can get this freaking thing installed, but oh my gosh, I am so pumped. I wanna have a nice couple days off from work to just take my time and chop up this beautiful bike. That's today's episode. I hope you enjoyed that. It's fantastic. I cannot wait to get this thing put together. This is the last major big modification anyone can do for the Honda Fury. It totally drastically changes the look and all that. Allows you to put on this, on that. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you real soon, all right? Peace!